Hi friends, how is everybody? I miss you all so much. Hope you all had a great, G is for great, spring break. Well, here we are back at work again. Mrs. Nettleton introduced you to the letter G, and I have some projects that go with that letter G. We are going to make a garden. Now, I have a couple different kinds of gardens you can make, and they are collages, okay? Now, a collage is made up of a bunch of different pieces of paper, all with the same theme. That's how we're gonna do this. This is a garden theme. These are flowers. Some of these I tore out of a magazine, some of these I cut out of a magazine, but either way, they make a beautiful flower garden. G is for garden. Now, my other garden, if you don't have magazines or you don't have newspaper ads where you can cut some flower pictures out of, you can make your own. I made carrots, I made lettuce, I made my own flowers. I found a few other pictures, and that's what I did for mine. Now you can draw beans, you can draw carrots, you can draw a flower, you can draw some radishes, or you can cut some pictures out like I have, okay? Once you've found your pictures, or you have drawn your little pictures, then I want you to cut them out, and again, paste them on one piece of copier paper if you have it. It doesn't have to be yellow, and put it together, and that's what forms a collage. And a collage is made from using all kinds of materials. You can use pictures that you find, or you color. Different shapes and sizes make your collage very interesting, okay? So that's kind of two types of flower gardens, or even there's some vegetables in there, gardens that you can do on your own with not a whole lot of materials needed. So I'm trying to find stuff that's easy for you to do at home. Now, the other two kind I did was a flower garden that I started to draw. And can you tell me what 4 things you need to grow plants in a garden? That's right, you need sun, you need soil or dirt, you need water, you need air. And they are the 4 important things you need to grow a garden. Now, as you can see, I started drawing some of my flowers and I stopped. So you'll take your green crayon, you'll draw a stem up and draw some leaves on it. I'll do that for you really quick. Okay, there's my flower stem. And then I'm gonna draw a few circles around there, and that's what makes my flower. I can color that in. And I like to make different colors and different kinds of flowers. The other thing you wanna make sure to do is I've put some grass. I've put some grass there. But the important thing is the flower is growing from roots. Now I did my roots in black just so you could see them nice and dark. So if you would like, you can continue that all the way across the page. Now, if you don't want to make a flower garden, you can make a vegetable garden. These are carrots and radishes, and these are beans that are growing up a pole. So the same thing. I started, you have your sun, you have your air, you have your water, and you have your soil. And then if you want, you can then continue on, and you can make a carrot, color that in, put some green leaves on the top, and again, there are roots that carrot is growing from. Okay, I hope you like these. They're pretty simple. You can use your own imagination and go from there. I found pictures from actually newspaper ads that were for garden centers, like this, like this. There's a big potted plant. Here's tulips. And here's another pretty purple flower. And I tore this one, and it makes it more interesting. So again, here's our flower garden. Here's it's vegetables and flowers. It's a mixed garden. And these are our collages, right? With a lot of different kinds of pictures on there. And then you could draw a flower garden on your own, or a vegetable garden on your own. Okay, and I have a poem I would like to read to you. It's called In the Garden. In the garden, pull the weeds, dig a hole and plant the seeds. Cover them up, water them too. Watch them grow in front of you. Make sure the sprout gets lots of sun. To grow a plant is tons of fun. Okay, guys, thanks for listening. I'll see you at our Zoom meeting. Bye.